to show up with that long-term monitoring. And also soil vapor monitoring. Cost for alternative 2 is $6.3 million. Okay, so very similar to the land-based alternatives analysis report. The sediment alternatives analysis also included the evaluation of 2 options. The first one is basically restoring the sediments to a pre-disposal type condition. This is a very large footprint. Here I've got it shown as about 77.5 acres. This was defined by Fish and Wildlife for an area where we did, based on all the sampling in the Hudson River, we identified sediments or metals in the sediments above the screening criteria. Over that 77.5 acre area, sediments would be dredged to a depth of approximately 7 feet. This would result in 840,000 cubic yards of sediment. That would all get managed on site and ultimately transported off site for disposal. Given that large area and the volume of sediment that would require removal, this is a long duration program on the order of about a 14-year program at a cost of about $450 million. Alternative 2, and David mentioned this in his earlier slide, focuses on the area around Outfall 1 along the southwest corner of the property. Much smaller, more focused area, about 0.8 acres in size. This is where we clearly have metals associated with the site right around Outfall 1 that are well above the screening criteria. This is what we call a source area. Although we didn't really see much in the way of biological impacts, we do have high concentrations in the sediments that could ultimately or potentially impact that Benton community. So we call it a source area, and our thought was, let's remove this source area.